In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 1, exercise 9.3, circle. Observe this question. In figure, A, B and C are 3 points on a circle. A, B, C are 3 points on a circle with center O. A, B, C are 3 points on a circle with center O, such that angle BOC, this angle is what? 30 degree. Angle AOB, this one is what? 60 degree. So what we can say? What about its solution? Angle BOC is what? 30 degree. Angle AOB equal to what? 60 degree. So what about the angle AOC? So solution will be what? Angle AOC is what? Sum of angle BOC plus AOB. So we can say AOB plus angle BOC. Clear? So angle AOC, complete angle, this angle, complete this angle. Clear? So this will be what? AOB, angle AOB is what? AOB is what? 60 degree. 60 degree plus angle BOC, this one is what? 30 degree. So what we are getting? 60 plus 30, 90 degree. So angle AOC, this angle is what? 90 degree we are getting. Clear? If D is a point, what? D is a point on the circle. If D is a point on the circle other than the arc ABC. This is a circle, center O, one arc we are having ABC. This is the arc. Now we are having other point D on a circle other than ABC, and this one is what? There. Other than the arc ABC, find ADC. ADC, this angle we want to find. We know one theorem. What? We know one theorem. The angle subtended, the angle subtended. Observe carefully, I am writing theorem. The angle subtended by the arc at the center, the angle subtended by the arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it any part of the circle. This is the one theorem. The angle subtended by the arc at the center. The angle subtended by the arc. We are having one arc ABC. Angle subtended by this arc at the center. It means angle AOC. Angle subtended by this arc AOC. Angle AOC, and this one is what? 90 degree. The angle subtended by the arc at the center is double the angle subtended. Angle subtended by the arc at the center, angle AOC, this is the angle subtended by the arc ABC. Angle subtended by the arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it. angle subtended by it, angle subtended by this arc, angle subtended by this arc at the center, observe carefully, angle subtended by this arc at the center is double the angle subtended by this arc to any part, this arc to any part of the center is double the angle subtended by it. It means what? This arc, angle subtended by this arc to the center is double to the angle subtended by this arc to any other, at any other part of the circle. This is the theorem given in our syllabus. Angle AOC is 2 times of angle subtended by this arc to any part of the circle. Any part of the circle means ADC. ADC. Observe again. Angle subtended by this arc. Angle subtended by the arc at the center. Angle subtended by this arc at the center is 2 times, double the, or we can say what? Double the angle subtended by this arc at any part of the circle. Any part of the circle means we are having point there. We are having point there. It means we can say angle subtended by this arc at the center will be 2 times of the angle subtended by this arc at any part of the circle. So angle AOC equal to 2 times of angle ADC. AOC we are having, we require what? ADC. ADC we want to find. Implies angle ADC will be what? Half of angle AOC. We are having angle AOC equal to what? 90 degree. Angle AOC is what? 90 degree. Angle AOC is what? 1/2 into 90 degree. Solve this one. 2 1 are 2 and it is going 45 times. So we are getting what? We are getting 45 degree. 45 degree is angle subtended by the arc ABC at any part of the circle. It means angle ADC we are getting 45 degree. It means at the center we are having angle of its double. This is 45. It means at the center for this arc we are having 90 degree. Clear? So this is the solution. Observe again. In a figure we are having ABC arc are 3 points on a circle. ABC is an arc and these are 3 points on a circle with center O. Angle BOC is 30 degree. AOB is 60 degree. It means angle subtended by this arc to the center is what? 60 plus 30, 90 degree. 90 degree. So angle subtended by the arc what? ABC. Angle subtended by the arc at the center is what? 90 degree. And at any other part of the circle will be half of this one. Half of this one. This is 90. So angle subtended by the arc at the center is double. Center is double the angle subtended by it at any part of the circle. So at the center is 2 times of the angle subtended by any other part of the circle. Clear? So we want angle ADC and ADC. This D point is where? At circumference, at any part of a circle. So angle ADC will be what? Half of this one. So we are getting 45 degree and this is required answer. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.